Hey everyone, welcome back. In this section, we are going to explore how we can get back structured output from our agent. This is continuous section from last tutorial we had. If you missed it, please go back and watch the previous section from our playlist. So it will give you some kind of idea what we're doing. But I'll go briefly, how it works. Uh, So basically, what we are doing, we're sending some images, 4 images that represent 4 seasons. Okay, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Then we ask agent to pick one season randomly from this 4 season and write a poem based on the selected season. And also, it will analyze the provided image and match which image goes with the selected season it picked from the step 1. All right. So what we did last time, it was instruction we had to provide to get our response back as a JSON raw format. Now in this section, what we're going to see, we don't have to provide any instruction to get our JSON back. Instead, we're going to use a schema. We're going to use a schema. We're going to send a schema along with our instruction, and the agent will automatically give us that schema structured response. And we can easily deserialize that and send it to our Blazor app to bind those response. So that's what we're going to see in our code shortly. So before doing it, let's see how that works. I'm going to click this button, and it is doing what it's doing. It's just picking up randomly one of the season and then composing a poem, and it's trying to match selected season with our image. So as you can see, it just selected winter. I think last time also it selected winter. And that is the image it best match with our provided image. Okay, and also it gives some nice summary why it picked up that image. All right, so let's go to our Visual Studio and see how we can get the structured output without writing any instruction to it. So we are on Visual Studio, and hopefully you're familiar with the structure now. This is our agent folder, and we already saw this class last time, which does not have any structured output, but we are explicitly saying give me this format, JSON format, and it's give us the JSON format, rightly so, but this time around we are going to use this class instead. Okay, and it is the same two agent we are using, and also we are using thread like last time, but in addition to that, we are introducing a schema to it. Okay, so that is the main change from the last tutorial. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are saying, okay, create a JSON schema from AI JSON utility, which is coming from extension, a namespace. Okay, so we're creating a schema and we're providing poem image. Okay, so this is one of the record we define. So if you go here, this is the poem image schema. Okay, here we're saying create a schema based off that record type. Okay, and we get back this schema. So as you can see, this is system.text.json namespace, which is standard namespace for JSON manipulation. So we are just creating a schema for this record type. Okay. Now inside that, we are creating a chat options. Okay. So remember we created a chat AI agent before. As you can see here, this is the previous one, create AI agent. That contains only instruction and name. But this time we are making some, we're passing a chat client option instead of 2 parameter we passed before. Okay, so this is needed because we need to pass that schema alongside with other information. Okay, so we are creating our chat client agent option, and we are giving some property name, instruction, and chat options. And that chat option is this guy, and it has our schema information. Okay, so this schema is that JSON element we created, which has all information about the structure, what we are expecting. Okay, so this is another way to create AI agent. Okay, it contains chat options, and chat option has our schema. All right, so that's all we have to do, and this is our method. It does everything for us, same as before. If you missed the last tutorial, please go there, and I already walked through the whole process. I don't want to repeat this one again, but mainly we just using 2 agent, and this agent does not have a response because everything goes under this thread, and thread is used for remembering our conversation. Okay, so it remember our last conversation. When you run this, it just populate what the response it get back and put it in the thread, and that thread is used for image agent, and it has our poem already because we already ran our poem agent. Okay, and we get back our response exactly matching our poem image. Okay, so we can safely deserialize the response text with this poem image. Okay, and we just respond back to that. Okay, let's go to our Razor page now and see how we tie that object to our UI. So image selector strongly type.razor, that's the page we have. So as you can see, it's same as before. There's nothing change on this page from last video. We just get back and put in the response, and the response has our poem, we have our reason, and also we have the image number that shows which one is selected, which image represent the selected season. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and that pretty much it. We're gonna move to multi conversation in our next video. I'll see you there.